Hello everyone. So in our previous class, we learned about the structure of pollen grain. It has two layers, the outer exine, the inner intine, and the region where exine is missing is called as germ pore. It is the point from where the pollen tube emerges during germination. Now next, we are going to learn about the advantages and disadvantages of pollen grain. The pollen grains are a good source of nutrients because of which it is available in the market as pollen tablets and pollen syrups, and they serve as a very good food supplement. If we talk about the disadvantages of pollen grain, they can result into allergic conditions like certain respiratory disorders. If we list out some of them, they can be like bronchitis, asthma. So they are responsible for pollen allergies. Not only that, there is a very good example of a plant whose pollen grain has contributed towards a huge pollen allergy. The example is of Parthenium, which had been brought to India and it acted as a contaminant, resulting into pollen allergies. Next, since we are learning about angiosperms which are flowering plants, we saw yesterday in the previous class that most of the pollen grains, they have two cell stage, that is, one is vegetative cell, the other is generative cell. Almost 60% of the angiospermic plants that you see, among them the